That's pretty crazy. You even have it on the road signs out here. Well, good morning, guys. It is Wednesday, February 28th, and if you haven't heard about it now, you must have, because it seems to be everywhere on the news, on the internet, social media, that we finally have a big storm coming to Tahoe, or so they say. And I haven't really wanted to talk about it at all because so far this season, none of the storms have produced in the same way that the meteorologists have thought, or the forecasting models have thought. But I feel like now, Wednesday morning, basically a day and a half before this storm is supposed to start, everything still seems to be lining up. So I think the odds of this are looking pretty good. So it's an interesting storm where it's basically taking in some of the subtropical moisture and getting a lot of cold air down from the Gulf of Alaska. So we finally will be having a storm where we're not going back and forth between rain and snow here at lake level, which will be really nice. And the forecaster that I like to follow the most closely is the gentleman that writes forecasts for Open Snow. And really kind of all season, although he's gotten some of the stuff wrong, he's just been going based on the forecasting models, and he's been very, that's the best way to put this, conservative going forward to try to not build on the hype for some of these storms in the past. And so, interestingly, the titles for his little blogs that he writes this week, on Monday, he said, "The hype looks real." And yesterday, on Tuesday, he said, "Setting the spring base." So both looking very positive. And I'll just show you some of the numbers that he's looking at over the next 3 days, from Thursday to Sunday. All right, so here we are on his last post from yesterday on Tuesday. And so it looks like if you're looking at in town in Lake Tahoe, he's saying 29 to 36 inches most likely. We being out a little bit more towards the crest, we err more on his forecast here at 56 to 66 at our house. And obviously if you go up to like Kirkwood, Palisades Way, Sierra at Tahoe, I mean at the highest levels, at the 9,000 foot peaks or higher, he's saying 86 to 99 inches. Just wild. And now I'm going to take you back to a hike that we did this past Saturday with the dogs and just show you short little clips from kind of our adventures that we had on Saturday. Are you girls ready? Yeah. You ready, Bella? So it is 52 degrees today, and it is way too hot for February. But we're going to go bask in the sun for a little bit, go for a little hike. The mandatory penny roll. While she eats snow. Girls are just loving the conditions. It was icy this morning, but it's softened up with such warm temperatures, and you're just not post-holing, so it's really nice. Hello, girl. What do you think, Ben? It's pretty, huh? What do you think, Bella? Okay. Hi. Hello, girl. How you doing today, Bella? Is today a good day? We should get you snow goggles, huh? You can do both. think, Bree? It's a pretty spectacular day up here, huh?
Yeah, super warm.
Yeah,
Super
I
warm.
probably could be in a t-shirt.
I know you're gonna give me a kick.
So that was really fun, but we couldn't go up any higher because the dogs started to post hole a bit more, and I don't know, they're a bit older, so don't want them to come away from this with an injury or a bad limp or something. So we're heading down. It doesn't matter because Bella is just happy to be in the snow. She hasn't had too much of that this year, so she is super happy to play in the snow. All right, girls, you're gonna end the video. How was it? You have fun? I think so. Okay. Goodbye. Thanks for watching.